14-15, totally certified. One box, team random break, random team break. Good luck, everybody. 4 packs. Time for some Wiggins or Parkhawks. Here we go. Pack number 1. Ooh. Here we go. We got base of Jeff Teague, Kyrie Irving, Jabari Parker, rookie for the Bucks. And Great American Heroes is Dwight Howard for the Rockets. Number to 299. Dwight Howard, Rockets. And the hit is Nicholas Batum for the Portland Trailblazers. And Mumpets. Mumpets 1 point up. Yeah, Wiggins is Cavs. Cousins, Bradley Beal, Serge Ibaka, red, number to 279 for the Thunder. Blue is Josh Smith, number 2, 149 for the Detroit Pistons. Autograph is Tyler Ennis for the Phoenix Suns, rookie auto on card. For the Phoenix Suns. Phoenix Suns is Berlin cards. Renee. Tyler Ennis. We got Nick Young, Roy Hibbert, Andrew Wiggins, rookie for the Wolves. We got Will Chamberlain base zum 20. Mal schon, aus den 6 Boxen, 5 Boxen. Und hit is for the Wolves. Thaddeus Young. For the Minnesota Timberwolves and Martin. Number to 199. Last pack. Maybe another autograph. Maybe. Let's hope so. Last pack for today. Here we go. We got Trey Burke, Tayshaun Prince, Markel Brown for purple for the Nets. And let's hope this one is autographed. It is Andrew Wiggins, but it's just a base rookie for the Wolves. Or the andere rookie variation. And let's hope this one is autographed. Kevin Durant for the Thunder. Oh, but jersey. For Mumpets on the Thunder. Nice. This one is number 249. Mr. Kevin Durant. Best player in the NBA. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Peace.